Hi, this is David at Stoneyard.com in Littleton, Massachusetts. Sahara precision cut. What we're doing with this stone is we're sawing the top and the bottom and then have a split face. So I've got some that's 9 inches, some over here that's 6 inches in height, and then of course some over here that's 3 inches in height. So take a look. We've taken and we've pieced together the material into a mock-up. We're just going to use it to show people what this material looks like. So remember, it's got a split face on this side and then on the back side, and then the balance is sawn. Notice that we've kind of laid out, we're going to use a 9-inch piece over here, a 6 here, 3s over here, approximate lengths. Because look it, you want some longer pieces and some shorter pieces. You want it to read more rectangular. But the cool thing is, you guys, this is a 3 to 5 inch thick built-in veneer, but notice it's dry set, okay? So the masons are still going to mortar this together, but you're not going to see any mortar joints. Isn't that fantastic? Sahara precision cut. Currently available at Stoneyard.com.